I knitted this tank top and I just wanted to make like a cute peplum tank. It came out way too long, and also the shape of the peplum, I made it like way too exaggerated. Anyway, we're gonna see if we can salvage it to make it into something that I would actually wear. It's just too long right now, so I think I'm gonna try to crop it. You can see here I'm just sort of like figuring out where I wanna crop it. I then just sort of pinned around with straight pins, 7.5 inches up. I'm gonna take 7.5 inches off. It's a lot, but it's way too long. I'm gonna try like to make it like a cute cropped peplum. Then I'm just cutting off the knit fabric. You gotta be careful with knit so it doesn't start unraveling. So right after cutting it, I am sewing on this like black stretchy elastic type tape. This tape will help to make sure that it'll keep the garment stretchy, the edge stretchy, which is the same properties as the knit. You wanna make sure it stays stretchy, but also cleanly finished. And then I'm using sort of like a 3-point or 4-point zigzag stitch on the sewing machine. That also helps to make sure that it stays stretchy even after sewing it. You definitely don't wanna use a straight stitch. I think it came out pretty good. It's really still peplumy because the original peplum was so wide and so exaggerated, so it's still very like flared out, but I think this length is something that I would wear a lot more often than how it was before, really long. Here it is with like the original jeans that I tried on just for like a side-by-side comparison. Here it is dressed up with like a high-waisted skirt. I think it came out really cute. It'll be good for like high-waisted jeans as well. I really like how this came out. I think the cropped length is something I'm going to wear a lot more often than I definitely wouldn't have worn the long. The long length is way too long for me. It's like almost a dress, but not a dress at all. If you have any questions about altering knit garments, I know they can be not easy sometimes. Please write any questions or comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.